I get emotional when we think about the family business and just the longevity and what we've done for this community since 1963. I can remember as a small child coming down and bowling quite often when my mom and dad bowled their league, and as a child growing up, whenever my dad would come to work and it was vacation from school, summer vacation, I got to go to work every day with my dad, and be near them, and just the sense of family pride to help out in this business. And it's really kind of, I don't know, inspiring. My grandparents, my uncle, my father, and what this business meant to them and the community has meant to them, and everything they've gone through in this community and in the bowling industry itself, just to make it a better place for everybody.
This is deep in my heart, this place. You know, after all these years and all the things we do for the community and all the friendships, you can't believe the friendships that we have here. It's just unbelievable. So no, this is, I look forward to going to work every day. 98% of the people, they tell me, get up and go, oh, I gotta go to work. I get up and go, let's go.
In 1963, when my family took over the bowl, it started out just a 20-lane bowling center. I was too young to remember, but in 1963, they added on the first 12 lanes to make this a 32-lane bowling center. 1974, I definitely remember that. It was 44 and 74 was the slogan. We added lanes 33 through 44. We added the 12 more lanes to make it the 44 lanes it is today.
Having a family recreation center like Cloverleaf Family Bowl has been since 1963. It's critical to a community like Fremont. There's a place to go. You can come into this building and you can eat, drink, you can play in the video games. There's so many things that are available.
Cloverleaf is a place that has been so wonderful for me, and encouraging and everything, and I just love it. It's just like a second home.
Cloverleaf, 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 Cloverleaf.
Cloverleaf, Cloverleaf, Representative.
It is definitely a treasure. This place, the community, we serve this community in so many ways. You name it. Company parties here all week long. I just can't. The fundraisers, the schools. 45,000 kids in the Tri-Cities receive free bowling every single day of the summer from us.